Good morning, I'm Daniel Bosca and this is my presentation of a website of my liking. The objective is to present the website Another Escape, nominated for Design, Creativity and Innovation Awards on the Internet. This is the order that I will follow in the presentation. After the introduction already made, I will describe what the web page is about, the public is it on focus on, the sections that compose it, the possibilities for a user, and positive aspect and to improve in my opinion. Website description. This is a website that tries to capture the experience of the human being in nature, showing our connection with the earth and being able to share experience, curiosities and even acts and campaigns in favor of the environment. Target audience. This page is focused for people with projects and experience in nature who want to share them or who wish to carry them out with the help of the Another Escape from team. It is also aimed at potential collaborators as with those who already have and actively participate. Now I will describe and talk a little about the sections of the web. Feature stories. In this section, they extract articles from the volumes, edit by them. There is also the option to filter by volume or see articles exclusively online. Volumes. This section is a drop-down in which we select the volume that is of our interest and takes us through internal links to the page that contains them. In this page, we can see a brief presentation and a small analysis of the select volume. Journal. Here we find posts by people who share their stories and images with Another Escape and or in collaboration with them. In addition, there are articles made by the sponsors or members of the association. About and Shop. Finally, regarding the sections, we have the About of the page and the store. In the About section, as usual, the page is present, how and why whom it was found, the values of its production, the support that they have, the participants, and the projects in which they work. Here we have the shop. Layout and attractive elements. This page has a design original and built by 8 series, simple and attractive. Adapt to all browsers for any devices allows an intuitive and visually pleasing navigation. Present the articles with links and labels that guide you in the type of article you are accessing. Possibilities for the user. The possibilities for the user in this page are limited to publication level since it has to go through the members of the page, but on the other hand, they are open to receive any idea of publication and make it a reality. It also allows us to acquire the volumes they have through their online store. Positive negative aspects. Now, I will comment always from my opinion the positive aspects that I see on the website as well as the aspect to improve. In my opinion, the positive aspects are the navigability, the ease of handling, the simplicity of the design, but also the beauty that it transmits. They take their work seriously and also cooperate with environmental organizations. On the other hand, it would improve the publications parts, giving more opportunity to publish more experience, as long as they maintain the quality that precedes them. To finish the presentation, say that at the level of code, its design is complex and complete, with a really intuitive and simple user interface that allows the enjoyment of the contents. To think this type of page that strive to improve the world from this perspective is deserved by letting us know the greatness of our planet. If you have any question, you can ask me, or thank you for your attention.